In my opinion, eggplant is such an underrated vegetable. You can cook them in so many different ways. Today, I'm going to introduce one of the recipes. Once I collected the eggplant from the backyard, those are my chickens, by the way, they love Swiss chard. Quickly wash the eggplant and bring them to boil with water for about 30 minutes until they are completely soft inside. Meanwhile, we're going to smash some garlic, ginger, and Thai chilies. Chilies are optional. If you do not like it spicy, you can totally skip it. Chop some spring onion and add in the ingredients I have listed here. Finally, we're going to add in a few tablespoons of the eggplant hot water just to dilute the sauce a little bit, just like that. Separate the eggplant with chopsticks. That's how you can tell it's completely done inside. Serve them with a dipping sauce on the side. There you have it. The full recipe is in my bio link. Thank you so much for watching. Try it out. Have a good day.